What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're just going to be finishing off this Aero Precision build that we have. We got the upper, we got the lower. We just got to throw a stock on as well as put the bolt carrier group in, and this guy's all together. So with that, let's go ahead and put it all together. First thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and get our stock on. This is just a Magpul MOE one. So to put these on, all you have to do is get it to where it stops, and then there's the little hinge here, and you just got to pull it down real hard with your thumb, and then now it is in the grooves, and that is good to go. It is now on. Next thing we're going to do is attach our upper and lower. So to do so, go ahead and pop out your takedown pins, and then we're going to align the upper directly with that, like so, and then all you got to do is pop them in, and now your upper and lower are all together. Last thing we're going to do is we need the bolt carrier group and charging handle. Otherwise, this gun is useless. So all we're going to do is take out the rear pin, and then we can open it up like so. And then all we have to do is take our charging handle, and it's going to go with the nice letters and designs facing upward. And you kind of go about halfway into the hole here and then start pushing up, and then you'll feel it latch up into the cubby where it's supposed to. And I probably should have lubed all this up beforehand, but yeah, pretty dry. But there you go. Now that that's there, then all you do is take your bolt carrier group, and it's going to go with the Aero A forward. You can just push all that into the firearm. There you go. And we're good to go. And then that made the dust cover pop open. Then close it, pop your pin back, and we are all put together now. All right, so there you have it. The build is now complete, besides an optic. But we got the full barrel. I also added a Gamma 556 muzzle brake to the end there. So with that, everything looks awesome. And then we can do a functions check as well here. Go ahead and cock it back, and everything's dry. This is probably pretty bad. Definitely want to lube it up, but we can go ahead, fire. Ooh, that trigger is light. That's a light trigger. That's the Rise Armament 3.5 pound trigger. Reset, and then pull the trigger again. Wow, that is probably the best trigger I've felt in a long time. That is awesome. So with that, that's it, guys. This build is complete and looks awesome. So if you guys do have questions or any issues on your build, I got videos up on how to do each section of it, lower, upper, barrel, etc. Go check those out. But if you do have questions, let me know down in the comments. Always happy to help. But otherwise, that's it for this one here. Hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have fun shooting, guys. And we'll see you next time. Thank you. So, with it all built here, only one thing left to do, and that's to test fire. Alright, here we go. This is an older mag. Mag release didn't hold back, but probably just the mag, but works great. All right.